As the push button is pressed, the Z-axis cylinder goes downward and vacuum suction on and pick an object in front of sensor 4 that is called back_det. Then by holding an object now it raises back, that means Z-axis cylinder uplift. Then this object needs to be stored in front of the particular storage. Then X-axis cylinder advances and reaches to a place where its alignment is attained. Then Z-axis cylinder goes downward and the vacuum suction now turned off to drop off an object with its place, and immediately the Z-axis cylinder lifts up its armature. X-axis and Z-axis cylinder control moving a cylinder along a two dimensions, that means along X-axis and Y-axis. For the time being now we can use the term Y-axis and Z-axis interchangeably. This latter logic diagram illustrates that. Here PB1 stop is the normally closed set of contact, that is why its name is given for having address of IX 0.0.17. There are 9 memory addresses from MX1 to MX9 with their own respective self-hold circuit, and they are arranged in an interdependence of one on another manner as it is seen. Z_down means Z-axis moving cylinder's sensor that detects as it extends downward, whose address is IX 0.0.5. Back_det is an input referred to as a suction vacuum. Now as it sucks an object, this effect is now detected through its address is IX 0.0.11. Z_up is another Z-axis sensor which detects its effect as it lifts up its piston. It is connected with the address of IX 0.0.4. X_ADV is X-axis advanced states is detected through the sensor with IX 0.0.7 address allocation. Automation is the process of controlling and operating various machineries, networks, switches, etc. using automatic control, reducing human labor. The project aims to design an automatic system which picks the products or objects from one location and places it to another. There are a wide variety of power sources available for displacing objects. These include hydraulic system, pneumatic system, servo motors. There are some basic mechanisms like piston cylinder motion, mechanical arm movement, etc. This project is based on pneumatic system. The entire design is operated using programmable logic controllers (PLC). X_RET is X-axis retraction state detection with address of IX 0.0.6. X_CLI is the coil tag for X-axis a cylinder with the output address of QX 0.0.4. E_CLI is the coil tag for Z-axis cylinder with the outputs of QX 0.0.2. Vac is similarly the coil tag for a vacuum suction with output address of QX 0.0.3. Return is the coil tag which is responsible for returning X-axis back to its retracted state by having address of QX 0.0.5. As we see from the latter diagram, Z-axis is still not extended downward or upward and X-axis cylinder is advanced state so as any object is placed to the nearby sensor, the one whose address is represented in row 22 by vac_det, so this would results in the X-axis cylinder returns back and now it becomes get ready to pick and place the object from the conveyor to the storage on its prepared place. The process of automation is the use of control system and programmable controllers to reduce the need for human work in production of goods and services which are needed in factories and industries. Basically, a set of predefined jobs, executed sequentially and systematically with the help of hardware and software. Nowadays, automation is employed in every small and large industry. Manual control is quite hectic, as an operator periodically has to read the process and adjust the input accordingly. Whereas, an automatic control is quite convenient, as measurements and adjustments are done automatically on a continuous basis. Pick and place system is widely used in automation industries to transfer the products from one location to other. It is based on pneumatic system powered by compressed air/inert gas. Pneumatic system can be controlled manually or by automated solenoid valves. The entire process of gripping and lifting the objects is controlled by PLC, which is programmed by ladder logic. Generally, this design is used in industries to do repetitive tasks, which reduces human effort and saves time. The basic mechanism includes gripping, lifting, moving, placing, and releasing the objects to desired locations. and when any object is bring in front of sensor X-axis cylinder retracts and initialized for the next task. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video if you find it helpful. Stay creative. PRD-SS channel.